Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. In the business world, disruptive technologies are innovative technologies that start at the bottom but quickly infiltrate the market and completely alter how a business operates. RPA truly is a disruptive technology. It completely changed the way companies manage their business processes to the point that it's nearly impossible for a business to avoid RPA. RPA as a disruptor made an impact on all three: individuals, industries, and businesses. RPA impact on the individual resulted in both positive and negative outcomes. For example, RPA positively affected accountants by improving the efficiency and quality of accountants' workload and reports. Moreover, these accountants also experienced a change in routine since RPA made mundane tasks like data collection faster and easier. At the same time, however, RPA disrupted some individuals' comfort and produced fears regarding the possibility of software robots taking people's jobs. Overall, this disruptor impacts the number of workers, when they work, and the need to employ skilled workers in RPA software. The impact on organizations prompts a higher demand for tech-skilled workers and reduces the costs of employing current workers. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.